Nofap. What is it and how does it work? I'm Dr. Trish Leigh, Cognitive Neuroscientist and Sex Addiction Recovery Coach. Let's talk about it because when the titles say Nofap, people always say, Nofap, what's that? So I'm here to answer it and to tell you what it involves. Nofap is a community. Actually, it's a huge, amazing community of people who have decided that they're not going to consume pornography or masturbate. And I remember when I entered into this space of sex addiction recovery, I had to explain what the term nofap meant to people and literally almost died multiple times. And now, of course, I'm completely desensitized to all of these terms because I talk about them all the time. But nofap means no, the sound that is associated with masturbating. Sit with that one for a minute. You can see why when I entered, that was a difficult one for me, but no problem now. So what nofap means is you've decided you're not going to masturbate because you want to heal your brain and your body and get on purpose in your life to rock it out. So if you go into the nofap community and you read and you learn, what they will promote is different levels, on a continuum of leaving porn and masturbation behind. So there's a monk mode nofap where you don't engage in any sexuality for a time. And I call it a sex washout period. And so some people are an advocate of not having sex for 90 days. And for me, the way that I think about it is there's some people that that's appropriate for because if their brains are really, really wired into sexuality, a washout period can make it so that all of that unwires. They can increase their self-awareness, learn a lot about what's going on with their brain and what it's looking for to be able to rewire it in the right direction. And a sex washout period is not necessary for every person. When people join my 90-day program, I can help them figure that out based upon the aspects of their life and how they're using pornography and sex in their life for mood regulation and self-soothing. So it's a case-by-case basis. But that's one type of nofap. And then the continuum goes down to no pornography consumption and just masturbation, which honestly, I think masturbation has to go probably forever, but definitely for a time frame. Secretive masturbation has to go. So if masturbation's part of your sexuality in terms of the sex life that you've established with your partner, that's fine and that's healthy if it's going to be incorporated in. And if it's something that you do by yourself, but your partner's aware of it, it doesn't create the shame and the guilt. And we know that shame is at the root of all of this. So, if you're going to keep masturbation in, then making sure it's not secretive and creating problems there for you. But most times not involving in masturbation is a very healthy way of going on your nofap journey. So that's basically what it is. It's no porn, no masturbation, so that you can transmute your sexual energy into motivation and into purpose in your life. And it's a community that's rallied around that cause, and I am a huge proponent of it. Okay, I hope that helps you out. If you're looking for help on the journey, drtrishleigh.com. If you want to donate money to go upstream and help children not get hooked on porn or to come out of it quickly, pornbrainprevention.org. And as always, control your brain or it'll control you.